Katuni, ano? Oh, so ngayon, ano masasabi mo yung Katuni sa Swiss National Day?
Yun ang masasabi. The best pala to. First time ko mag-attend pero satisfied.
Oh, first time mo.
Shout out mga watcher dyan sa US.
Switzerland?
Switzerland.
Italy.
Kita tayo soon.
Saan tayo ngayon?
Kita tayo sa Switzerland. Dito sa big event, Swiss National Day. Swiss National Day.
Happy Swiss National Day. Yan, si Katuni. Oh. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Indaran. Daming tao. Pero, guwapo yan si Katuni. Oh.
Sa Richard.
Guwapo yan.
Tayo sa big
Mga Bicolano yan, murago niyan. Ayan, oh. Guwapo yan.
Bicolano.
Oo. Ano naman yan?
Saan tayo? Isok-isok.
Anong message mo kay Dats?
That's, sir, I love you.
Master,
Jamie, asan ka man ngayon?
diyan ka na lang.
Ako nang pumalit sa'yo.
O Master, una saan ka man?
Sa 7 na ito, alam ko na nandiyan ka. Sunod ka lang. Mamaya pagkainan, laway ka. Bye.
Oh my.
Tonight, we come together to celebrate connection, collaboration, and community. Whether you speak Swiss German, French, Italian, Romansh, English, Tagalog, or all of them, we are glad you are here, and tonight is for you. To begin the program, let us welcome Himig Paghilo, the choral group of the A.J. Kalinga Foundation, who will perform the Philippine National Anthem, followed by the Swiss National Anthem. Himig Paghilo is composed of youth and orphans of EJK families. They are wounded healers, yet gifted agents of hope. They are vibrant members of Program Paghilo, a program founded by Father Flavie Villanueva, SPD.